listening to the creek while staring at all of these beautiful, beautiful new lives. Just look at all these beautiful plants. What could be better than the creek and the crickets and the frogs? All these trees for oxygen, all these plants that will provide wonderful, nutritious food. And just look at all these herbs taking off. Like, I got this one right here for the girls, and it's a strawberry plant. I'm just waiting for them to actually plant it. But so excited to see what the next couple months brings with all of these. Look at that flower.